How to change your email password in IncrediMail. This tutorial assumes you've already launched IncrediMail. From time to time, you may have to change your email account's password in your hosting account. When you do, you'll also have to change it here in IncrediMail so that you continue to be able to send and receive email. To change your email password, first click the Tools tab. Then click Email Accounts. With the account selected here, click the Properties button. Then click the Servers tab. Update your password here. Then click OK. Then click Close. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to change your email password in IncrediMail.